Let's learn ABC. A for apple.
A for apple.
B for ball.
B for ball.
C for cat.
C for cat.
D for duck.
D for duck.
E for elephant.
E for elephant.
F for fish.
F for fish.
G for goat.
G for goat.
H for hen.
H for hen.
I for ice cream.
I for ice cream.
J for juice.
J for juice.
K for kite.
K for kite.
L for lemon.
L for lemon.
M for moon.
M for moon.
N for nest.
N for nest.
O for owl.
O for owl.
P for pencil.
P for pencil.
Q for queen.
Q for queen.
R for rabbit.
R for rabbit.
S for sun.
S for sun.
T for train.
T for train.
U for umbrella.
U for umbrella.
V for van.
V for van.
W for watermelon.
W for watermelon.
X for x-ray.
X for x-ray.
Y for yoyo.
Y for yoyo.
Z for zebra.
Z for zebra.
If you like my channel, please like, share and subscribe.